Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at the Walgreens because I want to try out some of the deals they got going on this week. Since CVS is a little raggedy this week, I was like, let me come on to the good old Walgreens and see what they have going on. And we got some pretty decent stuff at Walgreens this week. So the first deal I'm going to be doing is an oral care deal that I saw on Lorena's page. So Lorena posted this deal that is double printing register rewards on the Crest toothpaste. These are $4. When you pick up 4 of them, you're going to get back a $6 register reward. But it's really important that you pick up this one with the scope in it. Only this one is printing the double register rewards as far as I know. Let me zoom in on this. So this one with a touch of scope that is 4.3 ounce. So they are $4 a piece. So 4 of these are going to total us up to $16. Minus our $6 digital coupon. Well, then you can use your points to pay. You roll that $10 in points, but you'll get back $11 in register rewards, making all 4 of those completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. And I just tested that to make sure that it was still a go, and it is. So I got the $5 register reward for spending out 15 in the P&G, and then I also got the $6 register reward for picking up 4. So we'll use this and to help Laura out of pocket in our next transaction. Another deal we got going this week is on the Dove shampoo and conditioner. This week, these are buy 2, get back $5 in register rewards. So theoretically, you should be able to pick up 2 of these and then use both of our $2 digital coupons, pay 4, get back 5, making 2 of them a $1 moneymaker. I actually tested this deal when I picked up my Crest, and it did not, both of my $2 digitals did not come off. Only 1 came off. So you end up paying out 6 and then getting back 5, making them 50 cents each. So not a bad deal, but not as good as it could be. But these products also track towards our spend 20, get back 3 on Dove hair care that we have on Fetch Rewards. So if you pick up enough of these this week, definitely scan that receipt. That $3 could pay for most of your cost. The Tresemme hair care is 2 for $12. Buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. Pick up 2 of these. After your $5 digital coupon, you'll pay 7. Get back the $5 register reward. Makes them just $1 each. This week, the Gillette shaving creams are $3.49. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you can pick up a total of 2 of these. That'll be $5.23 after the BOGO sale. We don't have any coupons, but you will get back a $4 register reward for picking up these 2. It makes it $1.23 for both, or 61 cents each. If you need laundry care, the Tide products and the Downy are still on the buy 4, get 5 register reward deal. So you can pick up 4 of these products, use the matching digital coupons that we have on each. Select Tide Simply and the Gain products are also on their 4 for $10 sale, making them only $2.50 each, which is a definite stock up price as well with no coupons needed. I need to get some paper, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this buy 4, get back 5 on Charmin Essential Products. So we're going to pick up 2 of the toilet paper, and we're also going to pick up 2 of the paper towels. Now, you can mix and match with the other products that are included in this deal, like the Bounty 2 equals 5 if you do not like the Charmin Essentials, or the regular Charmin, they're just smaller packs if you do not like the Essentials line. So these 4 at $5.49 each would total us up to $21.96. We have 50-cent digital coupons on each product that'll take off $1, bringing us down to $20.96. Minus the $5 register reward for picking up 4, it'll be $15.96 for all 4. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add them in with this point booster that I have for spend 10, get 10, and this paper booster that I have for spend 25, get 5. So that'll be $15 in savings that will pay for these paper products. So I'm going to go up now and I'm going to get the 4 paper products plus 4 more of these babies right here. That should be $37.96. Minus my $6 coupon for the toothpaste and my $1 in coupon for the paper products, that's going to leave me to pay out $30.96, and I'm going to roll some register rewards to lower that out of pocket. But I should get back $11 in register rewards for the toothpaste. I should get back $5 for the paper products, and I should get back $15 from my point boosters, making everything super free. So that went exactly how we planned it. So I picked up the 4 paper products, and we also got our toothpaste. I used the paper booster and I rolled in that $16 in register rewards. My digital coupons came off. That left my subtotal at $14.96. I paid that $14.96 out of pocket because I had that paper booster, but I got back the $16 in register rewards that I rolled in, and we also earned $15 in Walgreens cash, making that transaction super duper free. Also, make sure that you roll your $5 PNG register reward very fast because they do expire on 2 days after they print, and they usually won't work on that last day. So roll them immediately. I decided to roll mine on these fiber gummies for, I got one for fiber and one for a probiotic prebiotic. We're on clearance, but also producing a $5 store register reward when you pick up 2. So I picked up 2 of these. I used my $5 PNG reward, also rolled $5 in Walgreens cash, and I also had a store credit. So I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket after that. And I did get back a $5 store register reward, and I got another point booster that I can use next week. So that's it for me at Walgreens this week. In and out, super easy. If you got some point boosters, definitely go get you some household products. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.